Hi, my name is Mark Mullinoff. I'm a practitioner at Raleigh Acupuncture Associates in Raleigh, North Carolina. And today I'm going to talk to you about how we treat gastritis with acupuncture. So, gastritis is a Western medicine diagnosis. It means that there's inflammation in the lining of the stomach. And most frequently, it's brought on either by an infection like H. pylori or from overuse of medicines, non-steroidal anti-inflammatories like aspirin, ibuprofen, Tylenol. But it could be brought on by other conditions as well. And the bottom line with gastritis is that when it occurs, you have stomach pain, very uncomfortable burning sensations in the stomach, often accompanied with acid reflux, cramping, distension. So people are really unhappy. So if you've been to the doctor and you've got a diagnosis of gastritis, you should come into acupuncture. If you have stomach problems, stomach pain, acid reflux, GERD, you should come into acupuncture as well. The name of the condition is not as important as how it's treated. When people come in with stomach disharmonies, whatever the diagnosis, we can treat them. And the first thing that you're going to come when you come in is we're going to assess you and give you a Chinese medicine diagnosis. That's what's going to guide your treatments. So if you have gastritis, your doctor says you have gastritis, and you're suffering from stomach pain, and you come in, we're going to do a Chinese medicine diagnosis. We're going to work you up, ask you about all your symptoms that you're having. We're going to also ask you questions about your digestion, about your bowels, about your sleep, about your energy levels. We'll ask you a number of questions that will help us truly understand the root issue behind your stomach symptoms. Armed with this information, create a diagnosis for you and then a treatment plan. And the treatments focus on bringing your stomach back into balance. Chinese medicine is all about restoring the body to its natural balance. We become imbalanced. An infection, let's say, H. pylori, can create an imbalance in the stomach. And then the stomach remains in this disharmony, and you have the symptoms of stomach pain. Acupuncture focuses on restoring the balance of the stomach. And by doing that, the disease is then resolved. In the case of gastritis, we actually can resolve this condition and make your stomach symptoms go away. So we use the acupuncture points in specific locations to bring the stomach back into harmony. And depending upon, we may have 3 or 4 different people coming in with the diagnosis of gastritis, and they will be treated in 3 or 4 different ways. So because we want to treat them very specifically to their imbalances. No 2 patients are the same in Chinese medicine. I'll tell you a little bit about safety issues. We only use sterile, single-use, hair-thin needles. Nobody ever gets infections from acupuncture needles, nor do they hurt. They're so small. It's not like when you're giving blood and they use a big needle. Here, the needles are truly hair-thin. Once the points are in, treatments are very relaxing. Many of our patients actually fall asleep during their treatments, and you'll wake up feeling rejuvenated. While you're resting, the needles are actually doing the work of restoring balance. With gastritis, they're restoring balance to the stomach function. If you have any questions, you can check our website, RaleighAcupunctureInc.com. If you have stomach pain or gastritis diagnosis, please come in for an evaluation and treatment. I think you'll be very pleased.